So ayun nga, napagamit ako ng Mincetar Roam kahit hindi ko kabisado gamitin ito, buweset talaga.
Smash them. Initiate retreat deploy.
Kung napapansin niyo, panay ang TP ko kasi hindi ko talaga alam paano gamitin si Mincetar. Dito tutulungan ko mag-farm si Karina kasi ito naman talaga trabaho ng Roam, haha, nakakatawa.
Never say done.
First blood.
Na first blood pala dito si Bruno, ikaw ba naman dalawa ka lane, Bene at Ruby? Wala kasi kami kaya nag-aagawan yung dalawa sa gold, wala tuloy kabugbugan si Sisi. Pero maya-maya mag-a-adjust na rin si
The tougher the
Ruby.
challenge, the sharper my speed. May the sun forever shine upon my king.
Kung napapansin nyo, medyo sablay pa ako mag-voice over, bago pa lang kasi ako, sorry na oo. At dito na pag-isip-isip kong tulungan si Ruby laban kay Sisi, parang hirap na hirap si Ruby.
Victory is near.
Pansin ko parang tanga ako dito na naghahabol sa wala, hahahaha. Mapipitas naman namin si Sisi dahil dumating si Karina. Karina, salamat sa'yo, lawit na dila namin ni Ruby kakahabol.
Charge with me.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has
Dito akala ko katapusan ko na, akala ko lang pala yon. Buti na lang gumana bigla ang utak ko.
I shall always stand my ground.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain.
Hear my call. Behind my shield. Heed my command.
Tamang check push lang. Mahirap na baka mabigyan pa.
No retreat.
Attack the turtle.
Understood.
Dito akala ko mabibigyan ako. Buti na lang nag-bug si Monton, nakauwi agad ako, hahaha.
People, the backbone of a kingdom.
Unstable network.
They will regret this. A king shall reign with righteousness and love. Face me!
You have slain an enemy.
By the way guys, classic lang pala to, kaya okay lang kahit matalo. Talo talaga kami dito, hindi kaya ng powers ng mga kakampi ko. Gusto ko sana mag-rank kaso ilang oras na lang season na kaya nag-classic na lang ako. Ang rank ko nga pala MG 50 points, hahahaha.
Team destroyed.
Death is the least of my worries.
Request backup. Okay. Unstable network. Unstable network. Turret has been destroyed.
Astonishing.
An ally has slain the turtle.
A call to arms.
Our turret is under attack.
Charge with me! A king shall reign with righteousness and love.
Enemy dominated.
Behind my once again, I'll rise.
Our turret is under attack. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Shut down.
Heed my command!
An ally has been slain. Ult is not ready.
Death is the least of my worries.
Enemy godlike. Shut down.
No retreat!
Unstable network.
Face me! Adjust their strategies.
An ally has been slain.
So ayun nga,
Initiate
talo kami
retreat.
dito. At dito ko na rin tatapusin ang video na ito. Salamat sa panunood. Paki-comment na lang ang mga kulang ko sa pag-edit at mga kailangan kong idagdag. Hanggang sa muling follow. Bago ko pala kalimutan, baka please paki-like and share ng ating video. Salamat muli.